behind us. The second one of the line out here at Styles' Backyard Trails today. We're going to knock the lip and reshape it. We want it bigger, better than ever, pretty much this time around. While it's still raining, it's raining right now. This is really weird. It's literally a month from summer. So since we can't ride anything, we thought we may as well go nuts on these, get all these huge for summer so we can have some sick sessions out here. This video we're going to be merking that takeoff, ripping it down, ripping down the landing and building it back up better than ever. We have to pull it down because you need a big solid base to work with. It's just easier to knock it off and then build it back up.
And I built this whole site up ages ago, whenever it was, and I didn't chip into it all. I just like slapped clay on dirt and tried to make it all properly stick. It did work, it lasted for ages, but the floods ripped it down and the original wall stayed, so that's obviously not a thing. Apparently you can't throw new dirt and already set dirt and have it all become one thing. It'll just be weak.
Yeah, so knock your shit down if you're building it up.
Yeah. So if we went into the first slip and another flood came, it'd probably just do the same thing, and
yeah,
it'd leave this original tombstone, and the new dirt would all just wash away. Head down south.
We just knocked the landing down, got a nice base going, but it's pretty warm today and the dirt's pretty dry, so we're not going to bother rebuilding that in this video. We're going to wait for the rain. There's rain coming at the end of this week, so we'll wait for that to come and then it'll be easier as to stack it up. We won't even need to water it or anything. But for the rest of this video, we're going to prep the first one ready to go and hopefully test it tomorrow. That'll be the next video. So for the rest of this video, we're just going to prep them all and slick out the first one and try to get that done. Thanks for watching that video. I'm sorry it wasn't super long. These Wednesday uploads through November might be a little short, but we're going to try and make the Monday videos still full length. Monday expect probably a 10-minute video. Might throw a couple YouTube shorts up during the week as well. So thanks again for watching. Let us know what you reckon of this spot, the progression so far out here. It's going very well. I've only been digging out here for a bit over a week. A lot of the stuff already fixed up, ready to go. Next video out here we'll be testing that first one. As you can see, Styles behind us, slicking out that first one, get it super smooth, should be mint. If you want to rep the channel, just link in the description, like and subscribe, and we'll see you Monday.
Wow.